Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. It's a little nippy outside, but hey, it's January? Last night, Robin and I had a nice evening and celebrated our 25th wedding anniversary, where I prepared creamy chicken and mushroom stroganoff. Added to the list. Yes. I did add a special ingredient. If you would like to know what that is, please contact me. I'm not going to publish it. Contact me and I'll let you know. Tonight, we're going with something on a lighter fare, sort of later. Something I made about, I don't know, last year sometime, about a year ago or so. Pasta with spinach and green peas. This is a lovely dish. Like I said, it's on the lighter side. As light as pasta can get, I guess. Unless you're doing angel hair, which I don't work with. Just pain, that's all. All right, so let's get to it. Yeah, we've got some baby spinach, some mini bow tie pasta. Yes, mini. Found that at Winco. Peas, got to have peas and spinach and pasta because it's all in the name. Kosher salt, black pepper, garlic. I'm going to be using butter. You have an option, butter or oil. I'm going with butter. I like the creaminess of it and the butteriness of it. Some heavy cream. I'm adding a leek and a shallot. There's Parmesan cheese in the sauce and, of course, on top, and lemon zest and lemon juice. You can add a protein to this, like shrimp or chicken, but we're just going this way. Why not? As Robin just said a few moments ago before filming, when a pasta sauce stands on its own without a protein, that's a good pasta sauce. So, words of wisdom. So on this Tuesday, stay warm, but the sun is coming out today. So how about that? By the way, it's Taco Tuesday. Where do you get your tacos from? I know I need to do a Taco Tuesday soon. I promise. On this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.